What's happening, good people? My name is Doug, and this is Thaber Media. I want to just take a few minutes of your time to talk about this really cool website I found called NovelCrafter.com. In the past, I've talked about AI writing, using AI to assist you with your writing, brainstorming, even writing some of your prose. Played around with a couple of different concepts of creating prompts for such things. Then I came across this. They have a very awesome Discord community, and you can try this out for free, so I suggest you do. I've realized myself, I'm an idea man. I can come up with these very elaborate ideas, a lot of world building, a lot of characters. When I go to start putting things together, I have a little bit of a hard time staying focused and writing and creating the way I would like to, especially in a very long form like a novel or something like that. As you can see here, though, I've finally been able to organize my ideas. I have almost 12 books in a series that I want to do. These are notes. I have 3 different notebooks that I've done over probably 12, maybe 15 years about this concept of this Moons of Cassis sci-fi fantasy concept that I have, that I really want to tell stories in this world. This is allowing me to do that because I can focus. I can create a single codex, which is what they call it here, a codex, which the AI can draw from. Will help me write, it will help me flesh out my ideas. It will reference the codex. However, right now, in this scene beat that I threw together here just to go ahead and rough draft something out and start writing, you can see the AI might not have enough context. No codex mentions. There are no codex mentions. Why not? So I can just go in and do this. The moons, now it's referencing this piece of the codex right here. As you see, one of the aliases nicknames, the moons, the houses. I call this the moons and the holy houses, the moons and the houses. Now there's enough in here for this to go in and grab and write. In fact, I'll show you what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and generate pose. I already have something set up here for wizards and spaceships. And let's use Claude 2. And we'll just go ahead and generate again. See what we get. So based off of this scene beat and this reference to the codex over here, it's gone through, and there is a prompt that's going out to Claude, and Claude is generating all of this based off of the information I've given it. And now I can simply go back in, tweak this the way I want to. And Claude is straight up went into business for himself here. Looking at this, I just needed a little bit of background information about the moon so I could write a short story myself about this moon and give a little bit more explanation, a little bit more flavor to the world, the universe. I'm going to go ahead and discard that and keep what I have. Sometimes you'll run into that. Claude went into business for himself there and started a very interesting storyline. Don't need all that. Just needed a little bit of this fleshed out so that I could build upon it myself, which I will go back and do. But there is an example of what and how this works. If you have any questions, drop in the comments. I'll try and answer them. If not, I'll reach out to this community because it is a great community. As my proof of concept, I did create this and make it a PDF, and I want to give it to you all. I want you guys to read it, check it out, see for yourselves what you can do with NovelCrafter. It's a novella. It's going to take you maybe 2 hours to read if you wanted to download and read it. I even use Midjourney to create characters and create their images so that you could see all these people and help you visualize. It helps me visualize, helps me get an idea of these folks. The link will be in the description below. You can go and download it for free over on Gumroad. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go make something awesome.